Hi guys, my name is Drew. I'm a health coach and creator of the Smoothie Diet. I want to shoot this quick video to tell you a little bit more about the program and let you know what you can expect. I also want to tell you a little bit about how and why I developed the program and a little bit more about myself so you know who's behind it. So I don't know if you've seen any of my other videos on the site or on YouTube or maybe on another site somewhere. But again, I'm a health coach, and what that means is I help people lose weight and get healthy through nutritional counseling. And what that means is I help people make healthy food choices. I show them what to eat, what not to eat, how to read labels at the grocery store, how to make healthy recipes. And people come to me for all sorts of different reasons. Some want to lose weight, some want to have more energy, some want to boost their immune system. I had one woman recently come to me and I asked her, why are you making this change? I ask all my clients, what led you to make this change all of a sudden, to change the way you eat, to change your health? And she said that her little daughter had grabbed her belly and said, "Mommy, why are you so fat?" And she said she knew instantly that she had to make a change. I had another gentleman come to me, and he wanted to be able to run around with his kids outside. He'd be out of breath playing with his kids outside, and he didn't want to be like that anymore. I have some people come to me that are in the dating world and they want to look better, or they want to go to the beach and be able to walk around in a bathing suit without being self-conscious. So people have all sorts of different reasons. You may have some of these reasons. It could be something else, but no matter what it is, all the clients that came to me, they knew that eating healthy would solve a lot of their problems. They knew they could lose weight and get healthy, but they just didn't know where to start. So I started helping people, I started educating people. I started saying, okay, you need to eat more of this, eat less of this. These are the choices you need to make. And what I found is that it needed to be easier. So what I did is I started to put together smoothie recipes. And I would put together smoothie recipes with all the ingredients they needed. I would give it to my clients. They could go to the store, spend 10 minutes shopping, come home, throw it in the blender, and 5 minutes later have a perfectly nutritious drink. And it was great. The problem was that they liked them so much that they kept asking me for more and more and more recipes. And it just got crazy. I mean, my kitchen looked like a laboratory or a mad scientist, because I would have to try all the smoothies, because I wouldn't just give it to them without trying it myself, because I knew if it didn't taste good, there was no way they would have it. There was no way they would drink it, and that would defeat the whole purpose. So after months and months of my kitchen being a disaster, I decided that I needed to do something differently. So I put together all the smoothies into a 5-week schedule. It's over 40 recipes of my best recipes, something that I could just hand someone and say, here you go, this is all you need to lose weight and get healthy. And on top of that, to make it even easier, I put together shopping lists for each week so they could have all the ingredients they needed. They could get all the ingredients they needed right away. I gave them a schedule, I gave them a journal, and I also gave them recipe cards that they could print out and use. So they didn't have to page through a book every time they had to find a recipe. And it was very specific. They knew exactly what smoothie to have each day. There was no guesswork on their part. I told them what smoothie to have each day, exactly how to make it, the ingredients they needed, everything they needed. So I put this whole course together and I gave it to some of my clients, and the results were crazy. One of my clients lost 8 pounds in the first week, and it was funny. She emailed me just a picture. After the first week, she just sent me an email of a picture of the reading on a scale. That's all it was, just a picture of the scale. And I knew how much she weighed when she first started, and I wrote back. I was like, "Did you lose 8 pounds?" And she wrote back, "Yes!" Exclamation mark! Exclamation mark! She was so excited, and she actually ended up losing a total of 18 pounds over 5 weeks, which is crazy. And she felt better, had more energy, was more confident. Her story is below this video. You can read a little bit more about that. But everybody who tried the program just absolutely loved it. They loved how easy it was. They loved how good it tasted. And the best part of this whole thing is when they were done with the program, they were smoothie making experts. So they could make smoothies. They could have one smoothie a day for the rest of their life. And they knew that they would be healthy and never have an issue with weight loss or anything like that. And it was just great. So what I wanted to do was take this whole program and put it out there for you and for everybody. And I wanted to have you be able to get a hold of it and not just give this to my private clients, because I know this will benefit everybody. And I know you're thinking, okay, how much does this cost? And what I wanted to do was I wanted to put together a really special offer for you. And the regular price of this program is $47. And trust me, it's worth so much more than $47. The amount of work I put into this is ridiculous. Plus my clients pay over $100 a session. So it's, trust me, $47 is a crazy price. But I wanted to make it even better. What I wanted to do is give it to you for just $5 today. All you have to do is pay $5 today and you get everything. You get the smoothie guide, you get the recipes, you get the schedule, you get the journal, everything. Even some bonuses, which I'll talk about in a second. And I want you to try it for 14 days, for 2 weeks. That's all I want you to do. And if you don't see amazing results, if you don't lose any weight in 2 weeks, you get your money back. I don't want you to pay for it. It's that easy, and it's totally guaranteed. I have no problem giving your money back if you want it. If you want, all you have to do is drop me an email. I'll put my email. I'll even put more information about that below as well. But if you don't love the way you feel in 2 weeks, you get your $5 back. That's how easy this is. If you do love yourself and you want to continue on for the full 5 weeks, what will happen is after 14 days, you'll be charged $42, which is the balance of the $47. So you paid $5 today, and if you want to continue the program, you'll be billed the rest of the $47, which is the $42, 14 days from now. And you'll never be billed again after that. And on top of that, even after the 5 weeks, if you're still not happy with it, if you've paid the $47, you've gone the full 5 weeks and you said, you know what, this isn't what I wanted, you still get your money back. I'm going to give you your money back for a full 60 days. That means that anything goes wrong for 60 days, you get your money back. So I wanted to really give you this offer as sort of a no-brainer decision that you could make today. Say, okay, $5, I'll probably spend $5 on lunch tomorrow, right? Most people would actually spend more than that on their lunch. So that's it. For $5, you get the entire program. If it doesn't work for you, you get your $5 back. And on top of that, you get to keep the whole program. So I'm hoping that at this point, you really understand that it's an easy decision to make at this point. You can change your entire life today for just $5. One of the bonuses that I'm giving with the program is myself. I will work with you one-on-one through email support. I wanted to offer that to everybody because I know that that's one of the most important parts of any diet program is having support, someone who's there to answer your questions and who's sort of rooting for you the whole time, who can pick you up when you fall. And that's what I want to do as well. I'm available 24/7 the whole time you're on the program. If you have any questions, if you need some recipe substitutes or some ingredient substitutes, or you just need motivation, just drop me an email and I'll get right back to you. Again, I'm not sure how much easier I could make this for you. If you really want to make a change, if you want to lose weight, if you want to get healthy, this is one of the best opportunities you have. And again, this is not some magic weight loss pill or gimmick or anything like that. This is a real program that's proven to work. And I really would love to have you try it out. And again, it's totally guaranteed, so you have nothing to risk. Let's see, what else can I tell you? Oh, the bonuses. So what I did is I decided to put together some extra bonuses for you on top of the regular program. One of these is going to be a healthy eating guide where I go over some basics of healthy eating. These are the same things that I teach my clients about healthy eating. And I even give you a week's worth of healthy recipes that you can use. I give you an exercise guide, and I know everyone hates exercise. So what I did is I put together a guide of 5, 10, 15, and 20-minute workouts that you can use anywhere. There's no gym, no equipment. You can do them in your living room. They're quick. They're meant to get your heart rate up a little bit, and they're really fantastic. And if you can just work one of these workouts in a day, you'll see dramatic results. What else? Then I also have a Smoothies for Kids guide. So one of my biggest passions is helping kids eat healthy, and a lot of obesity starts in childhood. And if you can teach your kids how to make healthy food choices when they're young, you can help them avoid a ton of issues as they get older. They won't be overweight, they won't have health issues, their immune systems will be strong, and smoothies are one of the best ways to do this. So I put together a guide that not only teaches you easy ways to have your kids eat healthier, but also some smoothie recipes they'll love. So I wanted to give that to you too. So that's pretty much it. I've put together this whole package. I know you'll love it. And again, if you don't, you get all your money back and it's totally guaranteed. So all you have to do is click the button below. What happens when you click the button below is you'll get an order form that's 100% secure. You don't have to worry. Your credit card is 100% safe. You'll put in your information, you'll click the button, and on the next page, you'll be given a link to download the product. And again, this is a totally downloadable product. You don't have to wait for something to come in the mail. It's all ready for instant download right after you click the button. So you don't have to, there's no time, you got to use it instantly. You can start using it tomorrow. You could download this right now. You could go to the shopping, you could go to the grocery store in the next 10 minutes, get all the groceries you need, be back in an hour, and have everything you need and to start tomorrow. You could even start today. So again, I don't know what else to say. Again, this video is totally not scripted, so I just wanted to tell you how much this works. I'm going to actually put more information about the product below. But hopefully at this point you see that there's a real person behind this product. This isn't a gimmick. This isn't a weight loss pill. This isn't a scam. But anyways, I'd love for you to try the product. So click the button below to get started today.